Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Discovery SE finished in grey. This 2024 model comes with a 3-litre D350 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 21-inch diamond turned with gloss dark grey contrasting alloy wheels. This Discovery features around 1,100 litres of usable boot space capacity with that third row of seats folded down. There's an adjustable parcel shelf which can also be removed when the third row of seats are up, and the boot can be closed automatically from just the push of a button. Stepping into the back of the car, we can find the light Oyster and Ebony DuoLeather seats with the matching Ebony interior. These seats contain ISOFIX points as well as a fold-down armrest which houses 2 exposed cup holders, and there is also a rear climate control vent for the backseat passengers to utilise. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the light Oyster and the Ebony interior, and the seats are the same DuoLeather as in the back with additional side support for extra comfort on those longer journeys, and they are electronically operated with lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the multifunctional 2-tone 4-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit, voice control and hands-free telephone, and on the right for the cruise control system. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference, including 1 and 2 dial as well as map, media and driving assistance options. And speaking of map, the satellite navigation can be accessed via the main touchscreen infotainment system. We can also access Bluetooth as well as radio with FM and DAB, and the driver can pair wirelessly to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and by clicking the camera icon on the bottom left we can bring up the 3D parking and satellite imagery to manoeuvre this larger vehicle. The glove box can be opened via the top and the bottom for extra storage, as well as behind the climate control system. The climate control system itself uses physical dials for ease of use while on the road. And below are 2 areas to store your phone, including a wireless charger and a USB-C port. Underneath this cover are 2 cup holders, which can also be slid back to reveal additional storage as well. Finally, on the centre console there is the drive mode select option, which allows you to select best suiting terrain types. Lastly, the armrest can be lifted up to reveal further storage as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Discovery SE. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.